Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today again, we were expecting that we may see a recovery on the upside, but that did not happen. Like a relief rally was expected in the market, but that did not happen today. And again, we opened gap up, and it turned out to be a selling day again today. So in Bank Nifty, this is the seventh red candle that we see so far. So the only problem or the trouble here is, if it has to continue on the downside, we'll have to limit our quantities because, you know, going forward, what happens is the demand for the put decreases. Okay. So that's how the market is. So everyone is waiting for a pullback so that they can do some fresh shorts. So let's understand what kind of position FIs have taken today, and that will give us a fair idea like how do we supposed to trade tomorrow. Okay, so if you remember yesterday, FIs added about 23,000 index longs and 22,000 index shorts. Today they booked nearly 39,500 index longs, and they have booked 17,091 index shorts. That means they have booked profits in index long when market opened gap up. So whatever position that they created yesterday, it has been closed with some additional quantities. Okay, and shorts also they have closed about 17,091. However, if you look at the net data, so the net data is still bearish. They are carrying nearly about 1,21,818 index shorts, which is a huge quantity because if you see, they have about 1,43,000 index shorts against which they only have about 21,700 index longs. So extremely bearish positions. But what I expect here is, they should neutralize the position for some time now because we need a pullback to go short. And so would they also want some pullback. So we can expect that they may add some index longs also to take the market a little on the upside. So let's discuss the levels. But so far, what we understand from the future positions is they're still bearish. So we would continue to sell on rise. Okay. So this is basically a Fibonacci level which I have drawn on a daily chart. So what I've done is I've taken the June month's low. Okay, so from where we started the rally, and I've marked up till the all-time high. Okay, so the important support here lies at 0.5%, which is at 37,065, and the most important support at 36,000, which may act as a reversal point at least for a shorter time frame. Similarly, in Nifty, I have also marked the same levels from this low to the all-time high. Here, the important level comes at 16,640, which is 0.5% of the retracement, and 0.61 comes somewhere close to 16,300. Okay, so we'll move to a smaller time frame in Bank Nifty, and what you can do is to mark some additional Fibonacci levels because see we have marked it on a daily chart, so we also need on a shorter time frame to understand the smaller support and resistances. So we'll take this high and we'll take the low made today. We need the extreme lowest point. Let's see which is the low. Okay, it's somewhere here around 37,536. Okay, so these are some important levels. So how do we trade tomorrow is, imagine that we open, so we'll discuss flat opening, gap up and gap down. Okay, so if we open flat here, if this level breaks, which is 37,510, let's have a buffer, then the next target is 37,200 and the final target would be 37,065. Okay, so we'll book the put positions here, but going forward we'll reduce the quantity size on the downside, and similarly on the upside I'll not get much of a confidence, but we can mark this level, which is at 37,855. Okay, so once we cross this level, we can buy call against smaller quantities, and the first target would be 38,000, and if at all it breaks 38,000, it may go to 38,200, but it may spend time here and then give a breakout and go to 38,200. Let's discuss gap up or gap down. So in case if we open gap up around 38,000 and we do not give a dip until this place, until 37 fine, because if we get a dip until this place, then the market can be sideways. Okay. And what I'm expecting is, in case if we open gap up, there is a high possibility we may see an inside candle, and we have a very big range here. Okay. So in case if we open gap up, and if that dips comes until here, and if it turns back and goes like this, I may prefer buying a call for the first target of 38,000 and 38,200. Okay. And the ultimate level is 38,600. So if we get the market there, we'll definitely look for some short opportunities. Similarly, if we open gap down, imagine it's a small gap down around 37,400 or 450, and if we get a retracement, we'll see if they take support at 37,5 to 25, and if they break this high, we are going for a call for a target of 38,000, and in case if they don't go there and they break 37,520 again, then we may go for a put, and we already discussed the levels on the downside. SGX Nifty and Nasdaq, they are falling. So our Nasdaq and Dow Jones are falling heavily, and SGX Nifty is also trading nearly 100 points below. Okay, so while we discuss Nifty, I'll tell you what are the important levels. So Nifty has an important support at 16,640. Okay, and we are already trading close to 16,700. Just a while ago it was trading around 16,670. So in case by any chance if Nifty opens at this place, we'll look for a reversal and we'll buy call for a target of PDL, okay, which is around 16,800. But apart from this, we'll also mark the levels like the way we marked in Bank Nifty. I'm just moving it to 15 minutes so that I can do it quickly. So we take this high and we take today's low. Okay, then I'll move back to 5 minutes. So what we'll do is, see, we have two levels here. Imagine if we open flat here, we'll take put only if we break 16,800. So this swing. Okay, similarly, if we break on the upside, which is around 16,890, we'll go for call. The first target would be around 16,950 and the second target at around 17,000. This is the upside target. And on the downside, our target would be 16,640. Okay, so if we break 16,800, we can expect a fall until 16,640. So this is my view, and just we'll speak about gap up and gap down. So if we open gap up and we take support here, and immediately if we retrace, I think I'll go for a call for the same targets on the upside. But in case if it falls back to this place, we may see that it may again consolidate and will only trade the breakout either upside or downside. Okay, and similarly, if we open with a small gap down, then we'll wait for this retracement. We'll see if they take support and go up. If not, then we can wait for this M kind of a pattern, and we can enter into a put side again here for the target downside. So this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope you all got the point. And in the weekend, I'm planning to record a video on Fibonacci and how to use it. And I follow some strategies based on Fibonacci. So I'm planning to share that in a 20 video kind of a format, so that we can discuss each day of the post-market analysis, which will help you to trade only the Fibonacci levels like a pro. Okay. So wait for the videos. I'll definitely put in that effort. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.